So we've already discussed how to say the, which is when you're referring to something that is already defined, something that everybody already knows what you're talking about, like the man, the table. What if you need to speak more generally and say a, like a boy, a man, a table? That's where indefinite articles come in, which we're going to cover now.
Indefinite articles. Uma, uns, umas. So it follows the same rules with the definite. They have to agree in gender and number with a noun. So homem, it's singular and masculine, so you use Can you say that? Homem.
It's like way up in your nose here.
Yeah.
Homem.
Mulher would be uma mulher. Now boy and girl. Do you want to say those?
A boy would be menino.
And a girl?
Uma menina.
Okay. The plural is uns meninos with an N and umas meninas, or uns homens, umas mulheres.
When a word ends with M in Portuguese and we want to pluralize it or make it so there's more than one, we have to convert it to NS.
Yeah, so you just change that M into a N, you put the S, and you have uns.
You can remember this just by thinking that Portuguese people, they don't like to say msh. You don't really have M and S together. It just sounds weird. It's always going to be NS.
Homem. Menino.
Uma menina. Uma menina.
Uma menina.
Uma menina.
Uma mulher. Learning a new language is a gradual, challenging process, so you'll hit lots of slumps along the way that can make you feel unmotivated. Don't feel guilty if you need to take a break from your intense, serious studying. Take some time to have fun with the language, or just explore Portuguese culture a little bit. Rediscover what inspired you to learn the language in the first place. Have fun and get inspired. You could memorize the words to your favorite Portuguese song. Watch a movie or a TV show in Portuguese. Write a short story or journal entry that you don't plan to share with anyone. Grammar be damned! You could even try cooking a meal from a Portuguese recipe and you'll learn some new food vocabulary along the way. You can also try just making a simple change to your current study method. You could take notes differently, maybe try including a new app into your study routine, or switch to analog using a physical notepad or index card for a while. Or try spending a week doing nothing but listening to Portuguese audio while going for walks. Listen carefully to the sounds of the language without worrying about how much you understand or retain. If after a couple weeks you still find yourself lacking motivation, try to figure out why you're in a slump. Are there some small changes that can make learning Portuguese feel fresh and exciting again? Think of just one small specific goal that can be completed within the next week. Who knows? Maybe that little bit of success could be enough to motivate you again and get you back on track.